Okay guys, so how can we ask someone's age in South Korea? Okay, so in this lesson, in this video, I'm going to share to you 3 different ways on how you can ask someone's age in South Korea. So actually there are other ways, but this is based on the resources that I have read, and one of those resources po is the EPS topic book. Okay? So, by the way, why do we have to ask someone's age in South Korea? So, bakit kailangan nating or bakit encourage or mas maganda na alam natin yung age ng isang tao? So, for us to be able to know what type of speech we are going to use when we talk with that person. So, mas maganda guys, alam natin yung edad ng isang tao para alam din natin kung ano ba yung dapat na mga words na ginagamit natin when we talk with them. Kasi in Korea, nag-iiba-iba po yung words na ginagamit. Depende sa kung sino yung kausap mo. Pag bata, ganito yung ginagamit mo na words. Pag matanda naman, so ganito yung dapat mong gawin na words. So, yun po yun guys. That's the one of the unique features of Korean language. Okay, so yung tatlo na yun guys, depende po yun sa kung sino yung kausap mo at saka kung ano yung paningin mo sa kanya. So, siya ba'y bata pa? Siya ba'y nasa parang middle age na? Or siya ba'y parang talagang matanda na? Okay? So, pag sa tingin mo bata pa, nasa mga 20s, ganon below, so you can say, 몇 살이에요? Okay? So, 몇 살이에요? So, 몇 살 is how old are you? Okay? So, pag nasa middle age naman, nasa mga 30s, 40s, ganon, so you can say, 나이가 어떻게 되세요? Okay. 나이가 어떻게 되세요? Okay? And pag talagang matanda na guys, okay, you can ask, 연세가 어떻게 되세요? Okay, 연세가 어떻게 되세요? Okay? So those are the 3 again. So 몇 살이에요? Pag bata pa. Next, pag middle age na, so 나이가 어떻게 되세요? And pag talagang matanda na guys, 연세가 어떻게 되세요? Okay, that's based on the EPS topic book. Okay, so thank you for watching.